In this current video, we will learn 3 different ways to convert or have our Word document in a PDF format. PDF stands for Portable Document Format. And why do you need to have a PDF document? That is what we are going to experiment in today's video. But before then, you are welcome to Banahene Tutorial Collections, and on this channel we provide videos on softwares, computer techniques, tips and tricks, and other creative ideas in the information communication technology environment. Now, in the beginning of this video, I said we will learn 3 ways to have our PDF document, and this is going to include keyboard shortcuts. So stick to the end and enjoy this video. Let's identify some reasons to have a PDF document. And the first reason is this prevents accidental editing and also modifications that relate to sharing, and also preventing recipients editing these PDF documents, but they can have access to the file and have its readability. The second reason is it helps to have easy sharing of files, and also there is less complaint. This implies that PDF documents have all necessary formatting, and also sharing these files to people who do not have some formatting element on their computer system, they will have no problem in terms of accessing and also reading PDF document, because this particular document give you no access to edit or make some modification to it, because it has been restricted in terms of editing. Now, the third reason is it has high portability. These files can be shared anywhere. The next reason is it has great viewability. That is, these files can be accessed in most web browsers such as Microsoft Edge, and if you have any other installed PDF apps such as Adobe Acrobat, you can have this document view between these softwares, and this make it easier for desired audience to engage and read the published content. So these are the reasons why, as a computer user, you should have a PDF document when you are in a company or any institutions where you want to share some files for your employees or your customers or any other individual to have a view and also read without editing. Then it is best for you to link to PDF document. When you have a Word document, you should convert that to PDF and share among your colleagues. Now, let's look at these 3 methods to have our Word document as a PDF file. Now, on my computer screen, I have this Word document open, and this is a well created and formatted document. The first way to have your Word document converted as a PDF file is to move to the File menu, and we are going to have this backstage view. We are going to select the Save As command. Now, in this interface, you have the option to choose a location or a directory to have your PDF file saved. So you can choose from this PC or browse. So I'm going to select browse, and when you do so, you have the File Explorer opened, and this is the Save As dialog box. This gives you or prompts you to have a location selected. I'm going to choose desktop as my location. Then when you come below this, we have this file name field, and currently we have this as the file name. I'm going to maintain it based on these tutorials, and also you make sure that this Save As type is changed from Word document to PDF. And to do this, you click on this arrow, and this provides you with this list of options you can choose from, and in this list we have PDF. Then the next option is to choose Save. Now this operation is done. When I move to the desktop by minimizing this app, I'm going to see that I have this PDF document saved on the desktop because that was the location that I chose. And if I want to view this, that is, if you have any installed PDF app or you have any default software that consistently opens your PDF file, then you are going to have that open. And I used to open my PDF file using Microsoft Edge. So if I click on this app, this has been opened in Microsoft Edge and this is a PDF file, and there is no way you can edit. The only thing you can do here is to select, but you can't edit any content or you can't modify any text in this particular PDF document. So this is the first way to convert your Word document into a PDF format. Now, to use a keyboard shortcut, you move to your keyboard and press the functional key F12, and this also provides you an easy way to the Save As dialog box, and you have the option to choose a location. Then you change the file name, and in the drop down list you are going to choose PDF and then click on Save. So this is similar to the first option, just that we are using the keyboard shortcut to get easy access to our Save As dialog box. The second method we can use to convert a Word document into a portable document format is to move to File, and in this option or the backstage view we are going to select Print, and this provides you with a print settings configuration interface. And the only settings that we can do here is to move to the printer option and make sure that this is set to Microsoft Print to PDF. If you have any other option that is different from this current option that we have here, you click on the drop down arrow, and in the list you select Microsoft Print to PDF, and when you do so you click on this print command. Now this provides you with a Save Print Output As dialog box, and you also have the option to choose a location, and I'm going to select the desktop, move to the file name field and give a file name to this document. Then when you move to the Save As type, this is already settled to PDF document because we chose the Microsoft Print to PDF option in the print settings interface. Now that this is done, you choose Save command. Now when you move back to your desktop, you can see that we have this also converted into a PDF document. That is the second method. Now let's look at how to use a keyboard shortcut to perform this similar option that we had in the second method. When you have your Word document open, you can hold Ctrl+P on the keyboard, and this also brings you to the print settings interface, and you can see that the print command is selected. You can also use Ctrl+F2 on the keyboard, and this also does the same operation. And when you have this interface, you make sure to select Microsoft Print to PDF, then you choose the print command. You walk through all the process and have your Word document printed out as a PDF document. Now let's jump straight to the next method we can use to convert a Word document into portable document format. I'm going to click on the file menu, and then in these options we are going to select Export, and we have two options here. We have the Create PDF stroke XPS document, and also we have Change File Type. We are going to select this first option, and when you do so you have this command here, and I'm going to click on it. This also brings the Publish as PDF dialog box, and you can also choose a location, and I'm going to select the desktop as usual. Then in this file menu I'm going to maintain it. I'm going to add a number to it to differentiate from the first PDF that we had on our desktop background. Then this is also already set to PDF. If not so, you click on the drop down arrow and select PDF, then you click on Publish. This has automatically opened within my Microsoft Edge browser because this is my default PDF app opener. So when I move to my desktop, you can see that I have this also available on my desktop, and we have used three methods in this particular video to convert our Word document into a PDF format. And as a computer user, you can use any of this depending on your preference and utilize them in your daily activities when it comes to working with documents. So these are the options I want to share with you in this video. Hope you like this video. Please give it a like, share, comment, and also consider to subscribe to push this channel and also to motivate us as well. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment section, and if you want us to cover any video, we are ready to do so. Thank you and have a nice day.